Hello out there on YouTube. What I got here is my 3-horn train horn kit. You've heard it working before. This is the one I had under the bed of my Silverado. It's known as the Cannonball Express from Wolo, which is pretty much a K3 train horn. It gives it the same tone. I'm pretty close to it. So what I'm going to do is, I took the electric solenoid that it had in the center here. I took that out. I just put a little air fitting there. I'm going to use my 30-gallon air tank running at 80 psi to give you a chance to hear what it sounds like. It's a little more air pressure behind it. And as you can hear, it's pretty damn loud. Well, there you go.